Hello, my dear students. RK Economic classes now discuss about the demographic trends of the India. What is the demographic trends? Size of the population. First, you have to population. Number of persons residing the place, group of the people, that is the population. Number of persons living in the residing area, that is called population. Size of the population is at the time of between 1947 onwards, Indian population day by day increases. The population is the second largest in the world once upon a time. Now UNO estimate, after UNO estimated, India beat out China, now first place in the world in the population. It is the recently World Population Report announced the 2024 India population 145 crores. At the same year, China population 141 crores. Because of 4 courses is the highest, better than India. It is the population census started 1872 first time. 1881 onwards, every 10 years counted the census board. That is the size of the population. And the rate of the population growth. Growth means number one, decade growth rate. Decade growth rate means every 10 years how much population increases. For example, 2001 to 2011 growth rate. It is a 17.5% India growth rate. Second one, annual growth rate. Annual growth rate. For year, how much population increases? At the same decade, 2001 to 2011, 1.65% only. That is the annual growth rate. Growth rate means per annum how much population increases. For decade growth rate, how much decade growth rate. These are two easy, very, very important. It is a rate of growth. South India, North India different. According to North India or South India, North India maximum 28.5% to increase the population. South India decreases, I think 11.5% South India all states. But the average growth rate, India growth rate, 2011 census 17.5%. According to Indian population, USA equal to population UP and Maharashtra. Australia population equal to every 10 years increase the population, the Australia population comparison. What is the population main theme? When the population increases, automatically some changes in India. Then birth and death rates. Every birth and death rates counted every 1,000 members. Not only death and birth rate also, but also sex ratio also same, other things also same, but every 1,000 members, how much death rate, how much birth rate. That is the very, very important theme. Deaths nowadays decreases because of medical facilities, food security, and literacy rate. These are all three activities supported death rates of the decreases. Then another one, density of population. What about density of population? Per square kilometers, how many members living? That is called density of population. Density of population, according to 2011 census, 382 members per square kilometers living the population. It is the per square kilometer. 1 square kilometer, how many people living in area? The people, that is called density of population. According to 2001 census, only 240 members only. 1901, only 77 members. That is the density of population of that time. Then sex ratio. Sex ratio means every 1,000 males, how many females? 940 now. 1901, 976 members. Every 1,000 males, females. 1951, at the time of independence, 946 members. 1991 census, 927 only. 2001 census, 933. That is the sex ratio. Another one, life expectancy rate. Life expectancy rate depend upon the income, on literacy rate, and another thing also. It is the 2011 census, 67.7 years every person living the earth. Males 66 years, females 70 years. Females more than males living capacity increases because of some situations are there, then difference between them. These are all activities, and literacy rate also very important. Literacy rate means 7 years above, write and read members by total 7 years people into 100. That is called literacy rate. Then literacy rate calculation, this is formula. Literacy rate calculate 7 years above write and read persons, and total members of 7 years into 100, then came to the literacy rate. Then another than now literacy rate, 2011 census literacy rate, India literacy rate 74.04%. Then in this year, female literacy rate 65%, male literacy rate 80%. But lot of difference you identify or recognized. Lot of difference. 65% only female, male 80%. The type of gap in future dangerous position. Because of it is the both are working population very important. When the division of labor increases, all household income also increases. Living capacity also increases. Purchasing power also increases. Then one is the depend upon the literacy rate. Lot of in India, you will take the India, Kerala the first state, the well-developed state in India. Why? Their literacy rate, I think 100% or 99% literacy rate in Kerala. It is a rural people, urban people also here. Then situations also development out there. Economic system depend upon the literacy rate. When the literacy rate increases, division of labor also increases. Division of labor means it is the some persons doing the work, some persons another doing work. Then household income also increases. This is the Kerala persons working ready to working anywhere in the world, anywhere in the India. Every state in the Kerala persons are there. what happened there? Because of literacy, it's very, very important. Then literacy is the department is the economic system development direction. Kerala first place in India, every HDA rank also, other things also, Kerala first place. Why? Kerala is the number one place position is the occupied in the literacy rate. Then it is the literacy rate is the demographic dividend. Demographic dividend means working population. Now young India. Why did calling why young India? That means young India means 35 age group people, 45% India. You remember that. Lot of member producing capacity very increase in the world India. Lot of producing capacity in India, that is demographic dividend persons. Youth people available in the world, the only India, lot of people available in India. That is called, it is the population increase. That is the demographic dividend. Demographic trends, how to change trends. Demographic trends means size of the population, sex ratio, density of population, death and birth rate. These are all activities. The trends, how to trends. At the time of independence, now different the population. At the time of independence, our population only 1951, our population only 36 crores. But 2011 census, 121 courses. 2021 not counted, UNO counted, then 145 courses. The India population rapidly increases the world countries, first country in the world. Because the India. First you have to listen video and like, subscribe my video. Thank you very much.